Social media has had a significant impact on behavior, both online and offline. Some of the ways in which social media has affected behavior include amplification of emotions. Social media has made it easier for people to express their emotions and share them with a wider audience. This can lead to the amplification of emotions, both positive and negative, as well as the spread of misinformation and fake news. Increased self-disclosure. Social media has made it easier for people to share personal information about themselves. This can lead to increased self-disclosure and self-exposure, which can have both positive and negative effects on relationships and self-esteem. Changes in communication. Social media has changed the way people communicate, both with friends and strangers. It has led to the development of new forms of communication, such as emojis and memes, and has made it easier for people to communicate with others around the world. Impact on mental health. Social media has been linked to a number of mental health issues, such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. This is likely due to the constant availability of social media, as well as the pressure to present a perfect image online.